Welcome to the future of parenting and education. Edship Technologies presents NORA Product Suite. The NORA Product Suite is a next-generation ecosystem of smart education solutions designed to connect, protect, and empower every part of the school community. At the heart of this ecosystem is NORA Connect, our dedicated parent app that builds a seamless bridge between schools and families. A unified platform designed with love and intelligence to keep you effortlessly connected with your child's academic journey. From morning routines to evening revisions, your child's school life is just a tap away. Never miss a beat. Get instant notifications for school events, annual functions, science exhibitions, and PTA meetings, all organized neatly in your digital calendar. With the e-diary, access daily homework, assignments, and project work from teachers, complete with deadlines and real-time status tracking. Check your child's class schedule, subject-wise, right from your phone. Organized, reliable, instant. Say goodbye to long queues, pay school fees, download receipts, and receive payment alerts, all in a secure, hassle-free way. Connect seamlessly with teachers and school admins through call or chat. See when they're online and have meaningful conversations about your child's progress. Know your child's academic circle. View subjects and the respective teachers with a simple scroll. Misplaced the school ID? No worries. View it digitally or request a new one instantly. Track academic performance and achievements in beautiful dashboards. From grades to awards, it's all there. Refill the snack cart wallet so your child can enjoy healthy meals from the canteen, fast, safe, and digital. Order school accessories, uniforms, and more directly from our in-app marketplace, parents' very own e-commerce hub. Receive report cards digitally, review them holistically, and acknowledge them securely. Track the school bus live. See real-time location, driver, and caretaker info, pickup and drop points, and estimated arrival. Peace of mind every time. View attendance history and apply for leave with documents and category selection, all from your phone. Exam results and subject-wise grades are just a tap away. Add trusted guardians or relatives as secondary contacts for better coordination. Keep the school informed about your child's health, medications, and allergies with the health and wellness notes. Need assistance? Reach out to school admins or Edship support instantly from the help section. Enjoy safe and secure access with password management and multi-child account switching. Your feedback matters. Rate us, review us, and help us serve you better. Got more than one child at school? Switch profiles instantly without logging out. Stay in the loop with real-time push notifications for new homework, upcoming events, birthdays, holidays, and more. Edship Parents app, built for parents with real-time communication, academic performance tracking, attendance monitoring, online fee payments, student transportation tracking, notifications and alerts, centralized student information, user-friendly interface, and multi-student access. Transform your parenting journey with NORA Connect. Stay connected, informed, and involved with your child's education. Download NORA Connect now and start parenting smarter. Connect with us today. Visit www.edship.in or call +91 623 85 06588. NORA Connect, powered with Edship Technologies, empowering education, connecting communities.